an assembly line goes down, a battery pack underperforms, an EV charging asset sits idle for hours. Every minute of unplanned downtime in automobile and EV manufacturing is money lost and trust broken. The analyst who tracks it, diagnoses it, and stops it from happening again is an asset operations analyst in automobile auto components EV. An asset operations analyst in automobile auto components EV tracks asset performance, downtime, and cost to improve operations. You'll build performance dashboards, categorize downtime, support root cause analysis, and track improvement initiatives using data from SCADA, CMMS, and BI systems. As an asset operations analyst in automobile auto components, EV, you will track asset performance metrics and flag reliability risks proactively. Categorize and analyze downtime patterns across production assets, build and maintain operations dashboards for leadership visibility, support root cause analysis with structured data and reporting, create forecasts, track accuracy, and run scenario planning exercises, monitor improvement initiatives, and report progress to stakeholders. In this 10-week program, you'll build strong foundations in forecasting, Excel modeling, and stakeholder communication applied to real asset and operations challenges in auto and EV environments. You'll work hands-on with Excel, BI platforms, SQL, and Python, the analytical toolkit used in modern auto and energy operations roles. Built for commercial planning roles, and your growth path is direct. Assets, operations analyst, planner, RevOps lead. Course duration, 10 weeks, daily live sessions, 2 hours, early bird offer, 20% off. If you want to build a career where operational data drives asset reliability and performance in automobile auto components and EV, this course will prepare you to make an impact from day one. Enroll now and secure your early bird discount. Learn analytics. Launch your career.